It happens more than you might think. Doctors on the clock under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Should they be drug tested like bus drivers or pilots? One Danville man is spearheading the effort. Let's bring in NBC Bay Area's Marianne Favro, who joins us from Danville this evening. Marianne.
Good evening, Raj. Well, Bob Pack says that he wants to protect patients. He says if pilots have to be drug tested, then doctors should be tested too. 10-year-old Troy Pack and his 7-year-old sister Alana were killed while walking to ice cream in Danville. The driver that hit them was under the influence of both alcohol and prescription drugs. Their father, Bob Pack, knows how much pain drug abuse can cause, which is why now, 9 years later, he's leading efforts to make sure doctors don't practice while on drugs. The Troy and Alana Pack Patient Safety Act would require doctors in California to submit to random drug and alcohol testing.
Many other industries have mandatory testing, bus drivers, airline pilots, and so we feel that anyone who has a patient or a person's safety and life in their hands during their profession should have to go through this scrutiny.
But that's not all the initiative would do. It would also lift the $250,000 cap on damages in medical malpractice cases involving pain and suffering.
I'm attempting to overturn that law completely so that there's no cap limit and that a jury decides on the award for the death of a victim and what they should fairly receive.
In response to that effort, a spokeswoman for the California Medical Association said, "This is another trial lawyer money grab, an attempt to gain publicity." The group Californians Allied for Patient Protection adds that lifting the cap would lead to many more lawsuits and increase malpractice insurance costs, which would drive up health care costs and cause doctors to leave the state. Pack says that would simply make doctors more accountable to their patients. Pack says he has already received more than $2 million in support for his initiative, and if he is successful, he hopes to put it on the November ballot next year. Reporting live in Danville, Marianne Favro, NBC Bay Area News.